Most people think being safe means having money in the bank. But true security comes from balance, a safety net built from 3 types of assets that protect, pay, and grow. The first layer is liquidity, cash you can reach fast for emergencies or opportunities. It doesn't make you rich, but it keeps you steady. The second layer is cash flow, assets that pay you whether you work or not. Real estate is the backbone here. It turns time into income. The third layer is appreciation, assets that rise in value over time. Luxury watches, quality stocks, and private equity all build long-term wealth. When liquidity, cash flow, and appreciation work together, you're protected from every direction: short-term shocks, daily needs, and future growth. Too much cash loses to inflation. Too much real estate ties you down. Too much growth risk feels unstable. The key is balance, not extremes. At Perpetual Investment Group, we help investors build their 3-asset safety net, combining liquidity, income, and appreciation through real estate and luxury watch portfolios. Don't just save money, structure it. Build your safety net 1 asset at a time. Subscribe for weekly lessons that make money simple, practical, and powerful. Because wealth isn't rushed, it's refined.